The problem is I can't give out anything about the script because everything will come out. I am the biggest fan of Rani Mukherjee. Hi, this is Parineeti Chopra and you're watching Bollywood Hungama.
Tell us something about Ishaqzaade if you can. I believe there's still some time. It's going to be releasing in May.
Ishaqzaade is this small town love story where both of us are just literally born to hate. You are born with only one information, you're supposed to hate the other person. The problem is I can't give out anything about the script because everything will come out.
अच्छा कहाँ पर location कहाँ पर?
We shot in Lucknow. It's based in a fictional town, but it's basically UP, and it's this really hard hitting love story.
Tell us something about your growing up years in terms of. I think you were a major movie buff, in fact.
I was a nerd. But I used to love watching films, but I was never a sports person. You know, always reading, very creative. I'm a trained singer. I used to go to singing school. I was very good in my studies, always in the top 5. I was like, you know, that kind of a student.
एक आप confession करिए, आप confession time आ गया आज. आप भी स्कूल से आप आए, UK से आप आए, अपने YRF join किया. Your sister is Priyanka Chopra after all. Did you have this burning desire somewhere in the heart कि यार मुझे भी यार actress बनना है?
You know what? It was the exact opposite. You know, every person in my life. तुम्हारी बहन हीरोइन है, तुम क्यों नहीं बन जाती? And मुझे मन करता था मैं मार डालूं. क्योंकि मुझे लगता था यार I should really not say these things but I will say them. मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि एक्टर्स तो बेकार होते हैं. मतलब ये क्या काम करते हैं? ये बस सज के आते हैं, एक डायलॉग बोलते हैं, बस घर चले जाते हैं. फालतू में मुझे ऐसा लगता था. When I came to YRF, I realized no, actors do some serious work. And the fame, recognition and the money that they get is because of what they do. That's how I fell in love with acting and I said, okay, मुझे actor बनना है. And I've done acting in my life. Like I used to do theatre and everything.
अच्छा, you did?
बचपन में. I used to be in every school play. I have travelled all over India to do plays and etc. I used to do acting just like that. You know, I never thought कि अब full time actor. अच्छा, ऊपर से मेरी बहन actor बन गई, वो successful भी हो गई. सब बोल रहे अब तो तुम actor बनोगी. Seriously, before I came to Yash Raj, I never used to think कि I'll make it my career. I never hated acting, but I used to feel actors क्या करते हैं यार, कुछ भी नहीं करते. And then when I realized ना, I was like fish. I can't do anything else now.
जब परफॉर्मेंस आपका देखते हैं तो ऐसा लगता नहीं है कि कहीं से भी कि आपकी पहली फिल्म है. Because you have, I think that polish जब आप बोलते हो कि that by God एकदम बिल्कुल इतनी red hot लग रही है एकदम. When you get down from the car and just change the dress and just तो कहीं से लगता नहीं है कि that कहीं से आपके वो जैसे अपने आप फादर से आप बोलते हैं कि that आपने नहीं किया था घपले जो भी है you know, तो वो सब चीजें जो है एक it's very apparent that it's someone who's not a novice in fact. तो वो एक element in terms of having any training. Did you have any workshop?
31st January I was working in Yash Raj, and on 7th Feb last year I started my workshops for the film, and that was not to train me, to teach me how to act. Those workshops Anushka also did, Ranveer also did, Deepanita also did, Aditi also did. All 4 of them had done films in their life. That workshop was just to make the characters comfortable with each other. जब मैंने audition दिया था ना, that was the first time I faced the camera, and उस दिन मुझे लगा ये तो मुझे आता है. You know, ये मुझे मुश्किल नहीं लग रहा. पहला दिन शूट का जब मैंने पहला शॉट दिया, मनीष ने बोला कट, and मैंने अपने आप को सोचा and मैंने कहा shit ये तो मुझे आता है यार. You know, it just came naturally, and the only person in the world who had told me this was Rani Mukherjee. I am the biggest fan of Rani Mukherjee. Okay. She had told me this one day कि I never thought I would be an actress, and I joined an acting school and I used to hate it. But when I went on set, the first day मैंने मुहूर्त शॉट दिया, डायरेक्टर ने बोला कट, और मैंने अपने आप को सोचा कि यार ये तो आसान था, ये तो मैं पूरी जिंदगी कर सकती हूँ. I think it just comes inside.
She's got a degree from UK in fact in marketing and.
The problem with Faridun is he knows everything about me यार.
जितना आपको तारीफें आपकी आई हैं तो कहीं ना कहीं शायद obviously अनुष्का बहुत ही मंझी हुई कलाकार हैं, बहुत ही she's a very fine actress. लेकिन I think जो भी सारा जो praise आ रहा है फिल्म के लिए बहुत हद तक परिणीति चोपड़ा के लिए आया. Even जो maximum reviews थे वो they were very positive about you. तो कैसा लगता है आपको that you're getting so much of I'm sure that you must not have even thought about it.
यार actually I'm telling you selfishly, obviously actors होती insecure जाते हैं मुझे लगता है. First they want to know how they have done in a film, then they think about the film. And of course मेरी पहली picture थी, also यश राज की picture थी जिसमें everybody knows me. So there was just too much of feedback that I was waiting for. When the reviews started coming, I was not even in Bombay. I was not here for the release also. I was in Lucknow shooting for Ishaqzaade. So all I knew was whatever was happening online, whatever messages I was getting, calls I was getting,
Sure.
and everybody was, you know, पहले actually 2-3 घंटे मैंने मनीष को phone किया, मैंने कहा I think I'm getting good feedback, but I think everybody is being courteous and all, मतलब they're saying ताकि you know बढ़ावा देने के लिए, but he said no dude, really you're getting good. And I saw 1 दिन 2 दिन 3 दिन फिर release हुआ and unanimously everybody was saying amazing. Of course you feel एक तो you've been launched by such a big company ना, there's just too much on you, you just feel you have to do the right thing, you know. And then when people start saying it, there were huge people who've been in the industry for years who were saying amazing things. मतलब I don't even have words to say what you feel ना, मतलब what do I tell you?
पंजाबी बोल दो
ਮੈਨੂੰ ਇੰਨਾ ਚੰਗਾ ਲੱਗ ਰਿਹਾ ਸੀ, ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਦੱਸਾਂ